Hey everyone, welcome back to MrWonderHow. Today, we're diving into Substance Painter to tackle something surprisingly tricky: how to paint a perfect, hard-edged circle. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, this trick will save you time. Let's get started. First, import your 3D model to the scene. Add new fill layer, and fill with black color. If you've ever tried to paint a circle freehand, you've probably ended up with wobbly edges. That's because Substance Painter's brushes naturally have soft edges. But don't worry, I've got a quick fix. In the paint property, scroll down to see alpha option. By default, the alpha value is soft edge circle. Expanded attribute, then increase hardness to 1. Boom. Perfect circle. Give me few seconds to paint this dice, then I will tell you another way faster. In the left side panel, you can select on brushes icon and find the hard brush one. The library offers a wide variety of brushes, allowing you to experiment with different styles that align with your project. And there you have it. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tutorials. See you in the next one.